Meaning of expatiate.
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 Expatiate. The word expatiate means to speak or write at length in detail about a specific topic. When someone expatiates, they are extensively exploring and elaborating upon a subject matter, providing descriptions, examples, and various perspectives. This can be a useful way of conveying information and sharing insights, as it gives the audience a deeper understanding of the topic. However, if overdone, expatiation can make communication tedious and confusing, causing listeners or readers to lose interest or get lost in the details.